Hi Homeschool Planet users, Robin here. Today I'm going to show you how to create a transcript for your high school student that they can use for their college applications and other purposes. To start, you'll go to the Reports menu and choose Transcripts. I have 3 students. Hope is the only one currently in high school, so she's the only one I'll be creating a transcript for. You can begin a transcript as early as 9th grade, or you can wait until senior year and do it all at once. To begin, I'm going to click Add a Transcript for Hope. Her anticipated graduation date is going to be, I'm going to say June 4th of 2022. I may end up moving that forward or back a little bit, a few days, but I can always come in and edit that later. I do want 4 years covered, so I'll select OK. The software here is automatically going to import any classes that are during the school years I've already set up. So in this case, these are all classes Hope is enrolled in as a junior. Now I could go into the main program and add all her subjects into 9th and 10th grade, but I'm not going to bother to do that. Instead, I'm just going to edit the transcript and add those grades. If I'd been using this software in this demo account beginning 2 years ago, those courses would already be there. Anywhere I see the blue edit button means I can come in and edit the verbiage. So I'm going to change this to say official transcript of academic achievement. Okay, and then that's what it will say across the top. I'm also going to add Hope's social security number. Of course, I'm not going to put in a real social here, but I can add one that simply. I can add date of birth, or I can add other information if I'd like. For coursework for the grade 9 year, I'm going to choose Edit, and I'm going to add some classes. First, I'm going to choose Algebra 1. I'm going to say that class is worth 5 credits because I live in the state of California. I already have a note here of her different pieces, so I will go in and add grades. If there's a class I'd like to list that I want excluded from GPA totals, then I'll check this box. But obviously algebra and an A in algebra is something I'd like to include. I'll then go in and put Language Arts 9 for her freshman year, also worth 5 credits, and she received an A in that course. You'll continue to add any courses you like, give it a quick look-see, and then click Save. So you add any classes. You can edit them if you'd like. So I may choose later to go in and edit these titles. Down below the area where you enter courses and grades, it says Honors and Awards. This is a terrific place to put in if someone is a National Merit Scholarship Award winner, or if they're a volleyball captain, or whatever their honors and awards that you would like a college to see on this one-page document, you can add in this box. If you don't add anything, it won't say honors and awards with a blank square. Instead, it just will not print. Notes is another place to add other pieces. So once you've done all the editing you like, you can save it and come back and work on it later, or you can send it to your printer simply by selecting the print button. That's really all there is to creating an official transcript. If you have any questions I haven't answered though, please feel free to reach out at support@homeschoolplanet.com so we can answer your questions and get you squared away. Have a great day, and thanks for being a Homeschool Planet subscriber.